Hello friends, let's solve this problem. Here the problem is root 6 plus root 6 plus so on. Let x equal to root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus so on. Here this step is again repeating. X equal to root 6 plus x. Let's solve this equation. X square equal to 6 plus x. X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Let's simplify this. We know factorization. See, here product is minus 6 and sum is minus 1. So we can write minus 6 in minus 3 into 2 and its sum is minus 1. Therefore, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Let's common x. X into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 comma 3. We have to take x equal to 3. See, this is the answer. We took x equal to 3. Why x not equal to minus 2? I will explain in method 2. See, let root 6. What is the value? Root 6 equal to root 4 plus 2. It is equal to nearly 2 plus something. Here root 6 plus, let's consider this value is 2 plus something equal to root 8 plus something. See, nearly it is equal to 9. That's why it is equal to 3. If we took any minus values it will be complex. That's why for these problems we have to always take positive value. Thank you.